everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. We've all heard of cutting boards, even cheese boards, but what's the deal with those fancy French charcuterie boards? Well, let's understand first that they are all technically cutting boards. From there, we just drill down and the names become reflective of their intended use. With that, let's be realistic and recognize that you can't fit a full display of meats, cheeses, crackers, and grapes on a small 6x9 board. That's better left for cutting expensive cheese. Hence the name, cheese board. But what do you display all that deliciousness on? You're probably going to want a large cutting board, one with a sleek handle or a stylish design, one that you don't even really want to cut anything on because it's just too pretty. Enter the charcuterie board. Its job is to look pretty and hold your food. I can do both of those things. That does not make me a charcuterie board, huh? Probably because I'd eat your food.